I'm heading right now to Emerson's crib because we are planning to meet up with the guys, previous colleagues. But I think it's a little bit of traffic jam right now. It's only the peace part. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm already here. As you can see the car of Emerson. I think the last time I used to be here was 2012, so that'll be 6 years ago. Yeah, 6 years, 7 years ago I've been here to Emerson. I think that's the house of Emerson, as you can see that. Yeah, that's the house.
A few moments later.
Five messages! Oh, what was up here?
Reap the Reaper.
Junjun! 7 years, no? 7 years! 7 years ako, 7 years. This is just Blue FX4, no? FX. Right one, Brad. No. So this is just Move Forward. FX4. So what's up? Manual? Seryoso manual? Nice car, bro! Wow! Feel the club, January! The one Ford F4X. Yes! Ay, bakit? Kakainin siya ng kotse niya. Oh, what's up? Yes! We're in a yes office. Yes, familiar your car? How come you don't? You're not familiar with your new car. It's a brand new car. Pinakain siya mga kaigan. So what's up, si Jess? Hey, your letter is still open. Kinain din ako. May delay pa din. Next one, boss. Mustang. See the one, Mustang? So let's pick up Soke. Where's Soke? Nakapilay. What do you call this place? Expo? Cubao Expo? Oh, Expo. So we're here at Cubao Expo. So we're in Emerson right now, and yes, still waiting for Michael Soker. Where are you, bro?
Ipicture pa yung mukha namin.
What's up?
Pauwi na ko yun.
Chef Garage. ano ni Jess, ang sito pa kayong basiya. Sito pa kayong basiya, nag-overheat, nagdala pa ako tubig. What's that, Brad? Sisigap ko. Wala ko malapit na TNC ba? Laro tayo ba?
Wala ka naman ng mga ilang meetings.
Wala pa rin yung
Yung opening pa, okay?
Siyempre, mami-dami ba?
Hindi so yun na, hindi so
I'm
opening
super
pa.
tired.
Ito ba? Palamig siya ka?
Papalamig.
Wait siya.
So, salamat sa time, Brad, ha?
Yeah.
Next time ulit, no, Brad?
Oo. Kompleto na.
Pwede na tayo sa
BGC.
sa BGC next time.
Alam mo yung practice hindi doon.
Michael Soccer of Genesis.
Yeah.
Used to be what
Used to be
scammer.
Scammer.
6 years? 6 years ago. Oh, wow, 6 years. It's a long time, Brad.
BPO. Yan. May puti ko pre. Oh.
Oo, medyo tulog. Ano yan? Eh, okay naman ah.
Puputi ako sa camera mo pre.
Mabuti pa.
Jess, salamat Jess ha. 9 time, bro.
Anytime, brother.
Anytime. Salamat kayo.
Bakit gawin? Wala.